So I started a video last week, Windows 10 things you didn't know, but unfortunately, due to some technical errors on my computer, I couldn't finish off. So this week's just the continuation. Remember that old start sound that all those 25-year-old computers used to have? Windows 95's old but familiar start sound was composed by tech.Any for a whopping $35,000. He actually developed 84 compositions for the project. According to an interview, he was paid $35,000, and the theme ironically was composed on a Mac. So past few versions of Windows were Windows 7, 8, and now the current Windows 10. But why skip 9? I'm doing it a wrong way that doesn't make chronological sense. Why is there no Windows 9? Well, loads of theories have been posted online, but the most believable one was posted by a Reddit user. Microsoft decided to forgo Windows 9 was because loads of older programs at the time are programmed to be compatible with the operating systems that have the number 9 in them, so Windows 95 and 98. So if another operating system contained this number, then these programs will easily confuse it for an older version of it and a different operating system, and can cause compatibility issues and software instability. Although the people at Microsoft at the time were saying how jumping from Windows 8 to 10 was simply a statement of the giant shift Windows 10 was going to be from the old to operating systems. Although another believable theory still exists. 789. Get it? 789? He ate it? Windows 10 default desktop wallpaper. We've all probably seen this image plenty of times in the past, but do you actually know what's behind that innocent looking image? It's not just a normal photoshopped image you'll generally see. Windows 10 Hero image, as it's originally known as, is actually an image made out of complex lighting setup. The company used camera mapping techniques, lasers and projectors, and hours of work, and voila, Windows 10's Hero image.